So the need of JC in our schools include involvement of each student in every lesson course. Two, to make the learning environment free and friendly to students. And the third one is to eliminate stereotypes from the students' body.
All right, let's clap for them. Do we have any question for them?
Yes. Okay, so to eliminate stereotypes from the students' body.
What do you mean by stereotyping?
That's the question you're asking.
How do you understand it? You're not stereotyping. What is stereotype? It's more or less like being a conservative person. Whatever the norm is, you follow it to eternity, no matter what. That's what somebody can say, you put an animal in the street.
Yes.